They're waiting for us. They're waiting for us. Look. Here we go. Come closer to me. Hey, hey, hey. Ayan o. Here. No, my goodness. Okay. That.
That's it. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more. You're licking your...
And licking, yeah.
Yeah, no more, no more. No more. Bye.
Okay.
Bye. No
We
more,
have to-
no more, no more. We have more to go.
Ano ba yan? Nangangain yung mga, ang tawag dito, deer?
Dito, anak ko Daniel.
Caribou.
The deer.
Oh, marami pa tayong pabili
Okay,
yan.
move, move, move.
Move anak.
Move, 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 move.
No
move.
more.
Ah,
No more. Bye.
okay.
Can you fix the window, Dad?
Ha?
The window?
Kawawa naman yung isa, humihingi pa. Oh, kawawa yung isang yan.
Okay. No more, my friend, no more.
Bye-bye. Akin na si Tad
Oh.
maliliit lang.
Ay, naku, naku.
Maliliit lang dapat si Tad. Kasi marami pa doon. Tama na.
No.
Kawawa yung iba, nabubusog sila. Tama na. Tad, give me the carrots. I'll chop it into pieces.
Here comes the cavalry.
This is the deer.
Oh, the
the
deer.
deer.
Oh, my deer.
Oh boy.
Oh, the deer's in heat.
Yeah. Oh, what is this?
That's a deer.
No, this one? Oh, this is deer.
The boar na niya, the boar. Oh.
Oh, naku na. They run. They run away.
It's because they're in heat.
Oh.
Yeah, don't feed the big deer. Let go.
Good boy. Oh, girl. Oh, bata pa yun.
There's the piggy.
No. Baboy na to. Ayan oh. That's that wild boar.
Oh, baka maharangan. Okay.
That's a lot of
Bye.
animal here.
Oh, pagka pala pinapu sila, nag-back out sila.
Hello. How are you?
Goodbye.
Oh boy. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
That's it.
Ito, naku. What's this? Oh my God.
Hello.
No, no.
Oh, oh.
You want to bite my ears?
Oh, oh. No more. No more. No more si Dad. No more. Bye.
Oh, bye. And there's more duck. This is a nice place. There's a wild animal. Not really wild, but we are here in
Look at the pigs.
Omega Park in
Look at the small pigs.
Quebec. Oh yeah,
Look at the
look.
small pigs. Very like wow.
the baby pigs.
piglets.
Oh, there's a lot of.
Oh, they're very cute. Mommy pig just had a baby.
Okay, let's see the deer. We're going to see the deer. Pack of deer. We're gonna feed them so they will come closer to us. We are here in Park Omega in Quebec. It's a nice place. The weather is not really cooperative today. It's kind of raining. Here comes the deer, the one we're looking for. They're feeding them right now.
Ayaw nilang lumapit na. Maybe they want to come to this house. Not this one.
Okay,
This one is very deceitful.
okay, feed. That's how you do it. No, mommy, you.
I think this one is
You.
pregnant.
I think it's just a deer.
Deer.
I think I cannot go to the deer got scared. Okay. Come here. Here. See? Good boy. Dad, let them come to you. This one.
Start.
Wait. Sit.
Ito na. Oh, wow. Okay, one more. One more. Okay, one more. There you go.
Cut the carrot into pieces.
Ah, ça mange pas de carottes, ça?
Quoi?
Ça mange pas de carottes.
Small.
Small. They got soap.
It's falling. Oh.
Kaya that one is having a difficulty.
Yeah. Okay, I'll take picture of you there. That's wild boar. No more for you.
During prey has been one of the golden rules since the park was
Feed the
opened.
pig.
It's a huge one.
It's completely natural to have coyotes in the park, wild coyotes, I mean.
You don't feed the males.
We also bring branches to the beavers every day and speak
Here's a moose.
No.
The deer. Oh my dear.
having such a large animal population in the park may upset the natural balance of the forest. Our challenge is to find the right balance between making sure visitors see a safe number of animals and respecting the balance in the forest, which is inversely proportional to the depth of the animal population. Good job.
Bye.
Bye. Another one. Small one.
Are you giving that?
No.
Hang on a second, Tanya. Here. Wait, no, Tanya, wait.
I'm trying to make sure the car doesn't fall.
This one for you. Oh, wait, come.
No.
There. Ayaw mo?
Cars and chase the smaller deer away. But all of these animals have their own niches within the 1,500-acre park. I won't say there's competition for a particular habitat, but every animal has its place.
Nadumihan. Ang dapat ito.
That's a fox. I couldn't see. Very small. There. Hello.
Wait.
To prevent them from leaving, we give them enough branches every day so they can store them.
What a fuck. Oh, I like the bend.
What's that?
You can tell if a beaver lodge is occupied in the winter by walking up to it and seeing a little bit of all at once.
How's the moose?
Out the window.
Hello, moose.
A lot of bison running around your car.
Only two of them.
There's people from feeding the bison.
Hello. That's a moose. Canadian moose.
Although they've got the dominant couple, the healthiest couple that leads the pack, only they have the right to reproduce.
Oh,
which ensures the
someone's
pack
back.
remains strong.
Asking for
The other wolves in the pack don't have the right to breed. The hierarchy in the pack is
hello. Selfie natin. Hello. Ito mga mababait. The very friendly deer.
Dito. Nalapit siya.
Okay.
Oh, baka mabangga.
Okay, go. Hello. How are you?
Sabi niya.
Better over here. We always finish our tour. Yeah, yeah. Oh, this is more. Hello. Okay. Look at that one. Huge Sahel. Huge.
Is a room that is devoted to the crude art of Georges Racicot.
Goodbye,
and
dear.
Joseph Joubert.
Goodbye, dear.
All kinds of things.
Goodbye.
Beer bottle caps, among other
Thank you
things.
for
It makes for very
welcoming
lively,
us.
colorful art. They are artists of the region here.
There's more here.
In the Outaouais
Oh,
region.
goodbye, dear.
Oh, you can
Goodbye,
repeat
El.
by going again to the right.
Yeah, if you wanna go do the loop
You
again.
wanna do repeat again?
Okay, that's your last carrots.
Bye.
Bye. No waiting there.
Tax collector, huh?
We are exiting. Thank you for watching.